Om Shanti. When I was a kid, I visited a palace-like house. That house is a big mansion, grand residence, lavishly ornated building. The big doors, spacious rooms, big corridors, huge pillars, artwork on the walls, green gardens, everything impressed me a lot. Even I thought how good it would be if I have such a big grand house. After some time, I visited another house, which is a very simple, small 2 BHK house. No luxuries, no extra comforts, very simple house. But surprisingly, the vibrations of that house and the feelings of the people residing in that house, it touched my heart. But I could not feel that peace and love in that mansion. Why is it that I am feeling this peace and love feelings in this small house? I was searching for the answer, and spirituality gave me answer for this. Spirituality taught me that our mind consists of vibrations. Each and every thought I produce, it will create a vibration. It will be radiated into the immediate environment, that is the home, the house which I reside in. These vibrations will be filled in that environment, and in turn I get back those vibrations. Good feelings, good vibrations will activate my energy stores. It will dissolve my anxiety feelings, while the opposite feelings or the negative feelings will increase my anxiety. Spirituality also taught me how can I vibrate high and positive so that I can fill the environment where I am residing with a good vibes and high vibes so that I can make the house into a home. We all know house is made up of bricks and beams, whereas home is made up of feelings and thoughts. Every moment we have a choice to select positive or to be in resistance. If I vibrate positively, I can align myself into high vibrations so that it will come back to me and it will affect and increase my positive well-being. It's a simple choice that we need to make every second, every day in our life. It is not that the wealth, luxuries, extra comforts that make me happy. It is only my mind perspective as how I see the external circumstances. In fact, external circumstances are neutral, but the way how I perceive, so I react and resonate. What stands first according to you? First get a good big house, then think about a peaceful house, or first be peaceful, then everything will be under alignment. That means first work in your inner environment, and this will set everything in the external environment, which is called as inside out. But unfortunately today we are doing in a reverse direction, that is outside in. What all the tensions, ups and downs, upheavals that are going on in the external environment, I am taking in and I am infecting my mind. In such a case, how my mind will be vibrating, how my house will be vibrating. Due to COVID, we are sanitizing everything in our houses. We are sanitizing vegetables, clothes. We are cleaning more and more. We are disinfecting the floors and walls. Good, we are all sanitizing our houses. But are you sanitizing your home? Are you sanitizing your home? So as theoretically we discussed, house is made up of bricks and beams, whereas home is made of feelings and thoughts. So when we are supposed to stay long time in our houses, more in the family feeling, then we have to definitely sanitize our homes. Wondering how the pandemic is related to vibrations? Let me clarify you. If you really want to understand the secrets of universe, think in terms of vibrations and energy. Though modern scientists have recently started exploring the power of these vibrations, our ancient civilizations around the globe and spirituality has revealed the power of vibrations many thousand years of back itself. In 1936, Dr. Royal Rafi he introduced the healing device which works just with the power of vibrations and electromagnetic waves. With this healing device, he cured 16 terminally ill cancer patients. When he started this healing device, from which the vibrations and the electromagnetic waves resonate into the patient's body, the result was the elimination of 60% of the cancer cells just with the power of vibrations and resonance. If the power of vibrations and electromagnetic waves can kill 60% of the cancer cells, don't you think we can experiment this vibrations power in killing this virus, the pandemic? Definitely we all can do this with the help of spirituality. For this, we have to take a aim that we have to daily sanitize our homes. Be clear, I am repeating, we have to sanitize our homes also along with the houses. Then how to sanitize our home? Let me share you 4 tips to sanitize our homes. First tip, spend 10 minutes in meditation daily. This should be a mandatory practice. Whatever may be your schedule, it is mandatory for you to give 10 minutes time for your own self. In this 10 minutes, sit quietly, calm your thoughts, sit in a very calm and composed state, relax your mind. It is something like you are giving a pause to your mind which is running and running and running. While you are giving a pause to this mind in this 10 minutes, feel your inner core. Feel the inner qualities of yourself, peace and love. Relax yourself. First tip, 10 minutes in meditation. Second tip, eat your food with your family members. Stop the habit of eating alone. Your dining table should be filled with all your family members. All of you sit together. When you sit together, automatically the bond between each person will increase. I mean to say the vibration from one mind to other mind will increase, and this proper communication will increase a beautiful bonding, and this will really sanitize the home environment. This will create a love and happy feelings in the home. Otherwise there are people, they say, oh my god, how much time I have to stay in the house. That means their home is not getting sanitized. So the second step is sit with your family while taking your food. No mobile, no watching TV, only sit with your family while eating. Third tip, before taking food, 2 minutes, pray to God. Visualize the supreme power. He is giving power into your food. Thank God for what all He is giving to you. Be grateful to Him. Show your gratitude to Him. All this should come from your inner heart. Fourth tip, visualize the supreme power God. He is giving rays, and those rays are coming and falling on your home, your sweet home. It means your house is now in a protection aura of Supreme God. Just imagine if my soul is vibrating and these good vibrations can sanitize my home, then how good it would be, how healthy and powerful the environment of my home would be if my house is filled with the power of God. So your house is in a protection aura by the Supreme God. Every day visualize like this. Simple 4 steps. You can sanitize your home spiritually, and you can be protected by the virus, by the diseases, by the emotional infection, from everything. Moreover, your emotional immunity will increase, your mind power will increase, and you would be able to manage your mind how you can. So remember the 4 tips. The first one is spend 10 minutes in your personal meditation. Second time, sit with your family members while taking food. Third one, before taking food, couple of minutes spent in God's remembrance, fill the food with God's power. And the fourth one is visualize your sweet home under the powerful aura, powerful rays of God. Just experiment like this. Sanitize your home like this. Then you can see wonders happening in your life. Stay home, stay safe, stay protected. Om Shanti.